Just standing outside of Birch Club. This is the very club where that unfortunate incident took place, in which what we have seen that 25 people have lost their lives. And right now I'm joined by one of the locals over here, and we are going to speak to him. Acha, mujhe bataiye, what's your name?
My name is Cleophas Fernandez. I'm ex-deputy Sarpanch here on this village. Now present, my sister is a Panch.
Could you please let us know that what exactly happened at around late at night?
Down here I got a phone call because this is our village. So the guy, he called me, my friend, and he said that there was a birch is burning with a fire. So I just come down here because earlier present my sister is a Panch. So I just ran away here. So I just come, so lots of police are here, the fire is going, moving out.
How long did it take the ambulance to reach over here and the fire department to reach over here?
Ambulance come very quick. I think at least 10-15 ambulance was here. And after that...
but the casualty in this case basically seems to be very different.
Sir, I went inside. So I saw how they're taking the body out. Our local MLA, he was present here. All the police team are present here. Lots of police are help, lots of them, to take the body, pick up the body and all. Police log ne bahut help kiya idhar.
Was there any exit route over there?
There was only one.
There's only one exit route.
Yes, there's only one. And then after that, the chief minister also present here.
What was the exact spot where that incident took place? Was it the basement? Where exactly?
No, there's a basement.
So the performance was going on inside the very basement?
Sir, जो नीचे basement है, इधर ये लोग cooking करता था. So जो अंदर था, वो अंदर ही मर गया इधर ही. इनको oxygen का problem हो गया. So, but on the top one is there, who the people are on the top, they ran away out.
So there was only one exit from where like people tried to flee?
The front one, yeah, this side, the front.
So there are no other exits over there?
No, there is only one.
Okay. Was there fire extinguishers which were working or functional at that point?
उधर इतना मालूम नहीं सर मुझे. हाँ, इतना तो मालूम नहीं, लेकिन जो बॉडी निकालने के टाइम हम लोग गया. The president also, the chief minister of Goa, he also ran away in the middle of the night. Our MLA also there.
So right now we were just speaking to Fernandez. He was one of the eyewitnesses over here. He was the one who basically went inside and saw the entire fiasco when it basically broke out late at night around 12, in which what we have seen that 25 people have lost their lives. With video journalist Sushil Akil for NDTV 24/7.